Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Assistant. Today we will learn how to convert Excel file into Word file or any table which we made in Excel file. Now we want that in Word file, so now we can get that. I have already created an Excel file. I have created a table in Excel. You can see it. Now I will save it. Now I need this table in my Word file. So I'll open Word, and now what you need to do is click on Insert tab and go to the extreme right. You will get Object. Click on it, and then you will get two options, create new and create from file. Click on create from file. Now you have to browse that file, Excel file. So I have saved it on desktop, so I will get it, so I will select it, and this is the file. Now I will insert it. Now you have to click this one, link to file. Now you have to click OK. As soon as you will click, you will get your table here, and you can see the clarity. You will get it in very good quality, and this is how you can get your table in a Word file. I hope you understand. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.